you meet me by the beach. Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, she blowing me kisses.
Hello queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. So as you guys can tell from the title as well as the thumbnail, we'll be cleaning the dining room in the entryway, or should I say the foyer, whatever you decided to call it. But today I'm moving real slow. This is actually real time because I really didn't want to do this at all. I'm trying to find the energy, find the encouragement just to say, okay Val, let's get up, let's do something. But I decided to just go ahead and just push myself at this point here. So pretty much what we're going to be doing is some cleaning, some dusting, rearranging certain things around, you know, just give it a different vibe, changing some things up. Not a whole lot because I really didn't need to do a whole lot, but I needed to do a whole lot, if you get my drift, if that makes sense. This is going to be a two-part video because I did do the dining room, like I said, the foyer, and I'm doing the living room and things like that. So if you're new here, you just stopping by, hello, my name is Valerie. Over here I do all things home decor, lifestyle, vlogs, a little dibba dabba into little bougie luxuries. That's where I basically do reviews on replicas. So if that's something that you're into and you want to get to know more about me and my family, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. That says all. So like I was saying, it's going to be a two-part video. So you want to come back. So that's to all the queens and kings. Make sure your notification bell is turned on, so therefore you'll be notified each and every time that this queen upload a video. Now I'm not going to do too much talking in this video because it's just pretty much self-explanatory to what I just said and everything else. So, but I hope it do give you some type of encouragement, motivation, and also inspire you to do something in your home, you know, clean up, change something around, you know, because once you start to rearranging things, moving from one room to another room, it actually make that new room or the room that you're cleaning feel new. But if you have any question about any furniture that I have in my videos or anything like that, leave it down in the comment section and I surely will get back with you to my early convenience. Y'all remember saying that on your telephone, on your voicemail? But anyways, queens and kings, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you all do, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. wish I knew.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. Later, you could show me things. She blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. She blowing me kisses. Later, you could show me things. Is it? Is it? I didn't need. Is it? Later, you could show me things. Is it? Is it? I didn't need. Is it?
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play. Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say my love that was not the same? Yeah. How you gonna throw it away? Throw it away. Throw it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Frontin' like you numb. Here got me gone. Only about yourself. When I find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you'd hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me. You gotta be mental in the head. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say I love it and was not the same? How you gonna baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
All right, Queens and Kings, so for the final part, we're moving on into the foyer. So I'm just checking outside because, honey, it's a thunderstorm outside. So I was like, what is really going on? It was not just raining, but now it's pouring down, honey. Cats and dogs, rabbits and mouse, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, my foyer is very small, but I did try to enhance it by with the mirror, the little storage bin, because I'm really need of storage in this apartment, and also just doing some little decorative styles or whatever you want to call it, as you see on the door, and that's on top of the storage bin here. But who this for? Who this for? That's pretty much what my expression and everything. If you follow me on TikTok, you'll know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, please follow me over there, Queen Valerie. But anyways, yes, so we're gonna just do a light little cleaning in here and just take out some things that you see, the boards and stuff wipe down and stuff like that. And, you know, just to do a little bit more rearranging, not too much, because obviously you see I can't do too much in it, but I'm gonna do what I can. So I hope you guys actually enjoy the video.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. Get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you.
All right, so at this point here, I'm going to just try to wipe the door and stuff down, and I'm using this pink stuff. That's exactly what's the name they call it, the pink stuff. But yes, I'm using that to get some of the little scarfings and stuff off the doors and stuff like that, and it's dusty and things like that. Not too much going on, but just enough. Just try to keep the apartment clean as possible, because y'all know I have a little busy 7-year-old and he touch everything no matter what's on his hands. So yeah. But yeah, so this pretty much gonna be the end of this video, Queens and Kings. Like I said before, come back for part 2 where I'm doing the living room area and stuff like that. And also hit the post notification bell, you know, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified when that video come up though. But I hope you Queens and Kings enjoyed this little cleaning with me. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, your crown may tip, but a damn sure won't fall. Bye-bye.